What's up guys, the Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video. And in today's video we are having a comparison between two Bluetooth speakers. On my left hand side I have got a Dockin D9 which comes with the output power of 60 watts and so many other fantastic features. And on the right hand side we have a Dockin Fine+2 Bluetooth speaker which comes with the output power of 50 watts. Well, I am sure there will be somebody saying that this is not a comparison. One speaker has got a 60 watt, another one has got a 50 watt. Why are you comparing them together? Well guys, the reason is very simple. The price. Dockin D9 you can buy it for about £89, even less sometime. Whereas Dockin D Fine+2 is about £180. So the comparison is very much definite. I have also done a full detailed video review on both of these Bluetooth speakers. Link for them are available in the video description. If you're interested, check them out. Well, this video is all about checking out the audio output performance of both Bluetooth speaker, following with the conclusion that which one performed better. Now let me tell you one thing very much clearly here. Dockin D9, I have been using it from last 2 weeks, whereas Dockin D Fine+2, it's been 1.5 weeks actually. It's good enough for me to tell you that which one performs better. So let's not waste too much of time and straight away look into the audio output performance. Well, here I am in the end of this video, and let me wrap it all up and share my opinion that what I think about both Bluetooth speakers. Let's start with the Dockin Fine+ Bluetooth speaker. Now, honestly speaking, Dockin Fine+2 is a fantastic Bluetooth speaker with the output of 50 watts. Bass output is always there actually, even at the volume of 50%, 75% or 100%. At 100% volume, you are missing a bit of highs for sure. Whereas at a 50 and 75, everything is perfectly there. Nice speaker, indoor as well as outdoor compatible, come with the shoulder stripe, works great for sure. Now let's talk about Dockin D9, which come with a 60 watt of power output, and the bass is colossal. I have already upgraded the firmware on my Dockin, which is working perfectly fine for me. But by upgrading the firmware, I have got an issue which is on high volume. At high volume, I'm missing the higher frequencies as well. So that response is a bit of a problem. But overall, this speaker is a fantastic. Output is fantastic. Bass is there. I've done a full detailed video reviews and so many other videos around it just to prove the point that this is the Bluetooth speaker. And you can actually buy two D9s for the price of Dockin Fine+2. In terms of overall performance, Dockin D9 is the winner. The bass is always there, even the low volume, high volume, whatever volume you set to. Mids are perfectly fine, so is the highs too. Don't worry about it when are you purchasing this Dockin D9. If somebody says to you it's not a bad, it's a bad Bluetooth speaker, honestly speaking guys, you don't know anything about them for sure. That's my opinion. Now this is for sure, the winner is a Dockin D9, no doubt whatsoever. But Dockin Fine have really got a very good potential as well, but the price is the biggest issue for sure from my side. If they have got this speaker sold at about £110 even, then I would think about buying it. Otherwise, I would never think about it at all. But against Dockin D9, that's not a chance at all.